Raul here with Lifestyle Marine, and wow, today we're on board this beautiful Tiara 34 LS. This is a 2022 boat, 34 foot with plenty of options: air conditioner, generator, Garmin open array, twin Garmin displays. Yes, she's on the joystick right now. We are on Skyhook, holding me in place right here as we do the video. We have the boat available at Lifestyle Marine. Forward bow seating. We got triple captain chairs. We have the Kenyan grill. We have the rear bench seating. We have twin transom doors, fiberglass hardtop, beautiful entertainment space right here, guys. This is a dream. And with a stand-up head, enough to sleep too. My name is Raul with Lifestyle Marine, and if you're looking for a vessel like this, I have it available. 2022 Tiara 34 LS. Call me 786-380-7857. What does she come equipped with power? We got twin Mercury Verado 400 V10s. We have the electric rear bench seating, entry through both sides. We have the rear facing seating along with the electric Kenyan barbecue and a sink on this side. Standard fiberglass hardtop, triple helm seating or triple bolster, dual Garmin displays, all Boca-Tech switches. We have joystick control, Fusion radio, JL audio sound system throughout the whole boat. If you look in here, we have a stand-up helm or stand-up head, with a berth that sleeps two. Very comfortable boat, very well maintained. Only 70 hours on this boat. And of course, moving to the bow, we have forward seating, which is a U-shaped seating for the family. The center console is all glassed in. She has a fiberglass hardtop. She also comes equipped with a Garmin 4-foot open array radar. This boat is available here with me in Miami, Florida. My name is Raul, and you can see the boat listed on lifestylemarine.com or give me a call directly, 786-380-7857. Again, my name is Raul with Lifestyle Marine. Thank you for watching.